Hey, this is Matt from 360 Investigations, and I found another abandoned, looks like a hotel slash rest area. I don't really know what to call this, but I came across it by accident, and I'm going to check it out and film it. And just so you know, what you can see off in the distance, that way if you turn the camera around, there's a boarded up, it looks like a hotel, but I'm not getting in there because it's really boarded up tight, and I'm about to take the boards off. But I found not every place has to be filmed inside, but there is a building in here that I'm going to go into. So again, I'm going to use my respirator because I don't know what's in there. Despite the door's wide open, I'm just going to walk in. And that's about it. So I'm gonna. I found an abandoned truck. I found a storage shed. Just a couple of things that I'm going to film over here. So it's going to be interesting. So take you inside. Okay, so as you can see, the door is wide open, and I'm just going to walk around in here and have some fun. So. Check it out. This looks like it's an office building. I'm really not sure. Okay, so that's about it in the building here. I'm gonna go around and check out the container and the truck and a few different things, so hang tight, bear with me. Okay, so I found the shipping container here. I'm gonna go in. It's probably empty, but it's long and it's dark, so I gotta be careful in there. So bear with me, I'm gonna show you what it takes to get through these things. Put my hood on. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a bunch of empty shit. Yeah, I'm not going in there for reason. So let me go in and get the abandoned truck, or the truck I found. Hang tight. Okay, this is probably somebody's property, but if they ask me to leave, they'll ask me what I'm doing. I'll tell them. I don't think they can have an issue with it. I'm just going to film, so here you go. Yeah, I think this is somebody's property because I can hear dogs. But I don't know. I think they'll be all right. I'm just filming, so I'm gonna take a couple go through here. I'm gonna go through here for a bit and then take off. So hang tight. One safety precaution I want to explain is that since there's a bunch of wooded area, you have to be careful of yellow jackets and bees. So just wanted to give that other safety warning. This is cool. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now. I'm probably gonna run into the owners of this place and just let them know what I was doing anyway, just to be on the safe side. You know, it saves face and it's good for the, you know, to make friends. So anyway, this is Matt with 360 Investigations signing off, guys. Have a good one.